Hey guys, so I'm going to share my screen to show you my video editing software, which is super easy, and it's free. So super easy, free, and super fun. So I'm going to share. So this is called Wevideo, and you can just go on Google and look up wevideo.com, and you go to create an account. And once you're in, you go to your media to upload pictures or videos or just anything. And to do that, you go to this little import button right here, and you just press browse to select it from your computer or your phone. And then you can also import it from social sites like Dropbox or Facebook or your Google Drive. And I've already uploaded some media just to show an example. And then to make a video, you press make a video, and then you can select if you want it to be horizontal, vertical, or a square type video. So I'll just go horizontal. And to start adding your media, you go to your My Media folder and you pick either a picture or a video. So first I'll show you how to do it with a picture. So you take your picture to the spot where it says video 1 right here, and you just drag it and drop. And from there, you can have the picture go, you just take this little drag button, and it can go for as long or as short as you want it to be in your video. And you just pick how long you want. And the same goes for videos, except you can't make them go for longer than obviously you filmed the video for, but you can. One of the features is you can cut the video if you don't want like the end or the beginning. And then if you want to just delete that end piece, you pick it up and you drop it here to delete it, which is super easy. And then also you can add music, which is really fun. And you just go to the audio and you pick this music or whatever, and you put it in your audio 1 folder, and then it just adds music to your video. And then, as you can do with the pictures, you can drag it to wherever you want. You can make it as long. You can also cut music, like I showed you with the video. And with Wevideo, you can also add fun backgrounds to like here. And then you can also add text over your videos. But this is a free version, so if you want text that moves, you're going to have to pay. But you can use, this is the static, so it stays over the whole time and it doesn't move. But you can edit it to go over as much of your video as you want it to. So if you want it to say whatever you want. And then you can also, to edit your text, you go to the little pencil, you press on it, and then from there you can put whatever you want. You can put like and then you can change your font, you can change the size of your text, and you can even change the text color, which is super fun. And you can also have it be a background, like if this wasn't going to show up because you have a gold video background or whatever, you can make the background of your text like a white text box, and so it shows up easier. And you just save the changes and it automatically goes on top of your video. And then to have it play back, you just press on the play button and it goes. So this is just a super easy, super fun, it's really easy to get a hang of with Wevideo, and that's what I like to use for videos. But obviously there's multiple platforms out there like iMovie on your iPhone or whatever you use.